Hi, my name is Jorge Guzman. I'm the executive chef at Crosse Distilling Co. And today we're making a Torta Ahogada, which is a famous torta from the Jalisco region of Mexico, specifically Guadalajara. So today we're going to take a toledo roll and put it on the flat top to heat it up. We're going to crack an egg. Season it, and while the egg's going, we're going to take our toledo roll that's been toasted. We're going to put a little bit of our black bean spread on it, on both sides, top and bottom. And we're going to use our smoked pork, which is smoked with cherry and hickory and seasoned with salt and pepper. We're going to add a generous amount. Traditionally, the Torta Ahogada is made with roasted garlic pork, but since we have a really great smoker, that's what we use. We flip our egg over just a little bit, let that cook on one side, and we're going to put that on top of the sandwich. And then once we get the egg on top, we're going to toast the sandwich up in our salamander. Just for a few minutes. And what ahogada means is drowned, and it was a sandwich that was accidentally dropped into a vat of salsa, and the customer ate it anyway and loved it. So the guy that had the torta stand kept making them, and they became famous. This was in like 1930, so the sandwich is almost 100 years old. Once the sandwich is lightly toasted on top, you want it to have a nice crunch on the bun because it's going to be drowned in salsa. We pull it out, and then we put it on a plate, and we literally drown it with a chile de Arbol salsa. And this has some spice to it, but it's going to kind of dissipate because of all the meat and the beans that we have. We like to add a little bit of our lime crema to it, a little or generous amount. We do some cilantro, a couple of limes, and then some pickled red onions. And that is Crosse Distilling's Torta Ahogada.